right, hello and welcome to the Northland. Today, I know we took last week off. I had been posting videos every week on the week since, I think it was like December. So I just kind of needed a break. I'm sure you guys did too. So anyway, today we're going to install a Bimini top. For those of you who know it by a different name, it's like a sunshade or whatever. So if your spouse doesn't particularly want the sun on them, especially if it's on a long ride, or maybe you don't want the sun on you, this way you could have this on with the top down. You can still get all the wind and still have shade. So we're gonna this didn't even come with instructions, so hopefully it won't be too hard to figure out. Obviously the first thing we're going to have to do is put the top down, and we'll kind of go from there and figure it out, and we'll video that along the way, see how hard it is, and then I'll tell you what I think of this product once I get it on. Alright, so I think I've got it. Like I said, there were no instructions in the package, so it's kind of just see how things fit and see where they go. I'm going to say right now, I've never done this before. I've never seen it done before. So if anybody watching this sees that I've done something wrong, please comment below. Let me know, hey, dummy, that doesn't go there. That goes somewhere else. Anyway, let me show you what I did. Again, not very hard. But again, something, I don't know, it just doesn't quite seem right. All right, let's go. Let me show you. And before I actually show you this, I found an Easter egg or two. Easter egg to me anyway. Maybe some of you already know this is here. I had no idea. Even though I've taken the top off, put the top down, all that several times now, I never knew this was here. Let me flip you around. Kind of hard to see, but it says Bronco right here on the back. If those straps weren't completely in the way, you would be able to see it better, but it says Bronco right there on the top, and that's got to be the antenna for the satellite. I had always kind of wondered how that worked since the top came off and stuff, and I didn't think it came through the normal antenna. But anyway, back to this. So the straps, this is pretty straightforward, I think, right? We got one strap going through the rear quarter window. There are 4 straps that go across the back, and then one strap through the quarter rear window on the other side. Where it gets a little funky is these hooks. I really don't like them on the paint because I'm afraid it's going to scratch. But in order for it to be tight, that's kind of where they have to be. Same with this one. And now the one on the other side, I couldn't get to that point. You can see it's kind of hooked into the black part here. Under here, there's another hole. But again, if I move this one, let me show you. It just doesn't look like it fits right. And if I put it back to where it was, that one won't. These don't stretch. So that one won't go to the same spot on the other side. Now let me go to the front here. Again, now this one I hooked in this hole here. Again, the same, if I can get it unhooked, see the same principle, it's just loose. And on the other side, I couldn't get it to that hole because again, they don't stretch, right? And this whole business, again, even if I move this back to where it's tight, this one ain't too bad, but it just seems, I don't know, it does not look like it is fitting properly. And I don't know, I've tried to use different holes like this. Oh, that one works. All right, let's go to the other side and see what I'll show you what I mean. Okay. Now I can't move that one. This is the one that I said goes, I had hooked down there. I can't even get it close. So again, it's just loose. And then this one is where I had hooked to that longer slot. And again, they don't stretch, so I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, if I have it backwards, I don't know. But if you've done this before on this type of a top, let me know. And if I'm doing something wrong, I'd really like to know what it is so I can fix it. Otherwise, seems kind of, I mean, it seems all right. I haven't driven it on the road yet. Some of the sun off anyway. You can still see through it and all that. Obviously the wind will go through it. Overall, at least until I drive it, currently anyway, I kind of like the product. I'm not necessarily, I can't even talk today. I'm not necessarily thrilled with the way that it fits. I think it could fit better. And again, I don't know if maybe I'm doing something wrong, but overall I like the idea. I like the product, I think. I just wish it fit a little bit better, or maybe if they would include some instructions, that'd be kind of cool too. I don't even remember who makes this product. I don't even have the package anymore. Like a dummy, I threw it away. But I don't even remember where I got it. I think I got it through, what is it? Tough Trucks, Rugged Terrain, Extreme Terrain, I don't know, something like that, I think. So this is not an Amazon product, but I don't know. Tell me what you think. I hope you liked this video. Please hit that like and subscribe. Even if you didn't like it, I would appreciate it if you tap that like button and the little bell at the bottom after you hit subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. If you know somebody who has a Bronco or a top similar to this, share it with them, because maybe they know what I'm doing wrong, if I'm doing something wrong. I don't know. It's I mean, it's effective, right? I suppose it's not necessarily there for looks, but anyway, I don't know. It just kind of bugs me in a way. Like I said, overall, I like the product. If I was to rate it, I don't know, if I could give a half a star, I'd probably give it 3.5. So I suppose I'll have to give it a 4 overall, since the fit isn't perfect. But other than that, it is what it is, I guess. So, all right, again, make sure you share it. Hit that like and subscribe, even if you didn't like the video. I'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Oh, and I have someone to thank. Welcome to the family. Jack Coburn. So everybody welcome Jack Coburn. I hope you will find this entertaining, maybe goofy, maybe even instructional to a certain extent. All right. Again, thank you for watching. Stay safe. We'll see you in the next video.